Welcome to Governor's Club in Brentwood, Tennessee. This is one of the most recognized, prestigious gated golf communities in Middle Tennessee. It has the guarded gate, the golf course, the clubhouse, the custom estate homes, the rolling hills, celebrities and professional athletes as neighbors, and the kind of address that people immediately recognize when they know Brentwood real estate. But the real question is not just, is Governor's Club beautiful? You can tell by the house that we're standing in. Of course it is. The better question is, does Governor's Club fit your life, your budget, your priorities, and the way you actually want to live in Tennessee? And that is the decision that gets much more interesting. I'm Erika Kurre, and I help buyers and sellers in Brentwood, Franklin, Nolensville, Nashville, and the surrounding Middle Tennessee area make smart real estate decisions with a clear plan. A lot of my clients are relocating from out of state, moving up locally, or trying to figure out which Williamson County luxury neighborhood actually fits their family before they make a very expensive mistake. And Governor's Club is exactly the kind of neighborhood where having a local guide matters. Online, our big, beautiful homes can start to blend together. Big kitchen, pretty lighting, grand entry, a pool, a golf course, beautiful staircase, beautiful views, maybe a wine room, maybe a theater, maybe a garage that makes someone in the family suddenly develop a very serious car hobby. But in Governor's Club, you're not just buying the house. You're buying into a lifestyle, a location, a level of privacy, and a very specific kind of Brentwood luxury. Governor's Club sits in Brentwood, Tennessee, in Williamson County off Concord Road. That location is a big part of the appeal. You're tucked into a private guarded gate community, but you still have strong access to I-65, Cool Springs, Franklin, Brentwood, shopping and dining, and downtown Nashville. This is one of the reasons Governor's Club remains so attractive to high-end buyers. You get privacy without feeling disconnected. You get a true luxury neighborhood, but you're not out in the middle of nowhere. You get a golf and country club setting, but you're still very much connected to the daily conveniences that make Brentwood so desirable. The neighborhood itself sits on more than 600 acres, and the setting is a major part of what makes it feel different. This is not flat land with homes stacked in rows. Governor's Club has rolling terrain, mature landscaping, golf course views, ponds, stone details, and homes that feel intentionally placed throughout the community. That matters because at this price point, buyers are not just looking for square footage. They're looking for presence. Governor's Club gives you that. It's a very similar vibe to Laurelbrook and Franklin, only Governor's Club is Brentwood. I've linked my Laurelbrook video to this one, so you can see that one too for more options like this. Now, in these neighborhoods, the entrance alone sets the tone. Governor's Club is a staffed, gated community with 24-hour security, and for many luxury buyers, especially those relocating from larger metro areas, that controlled access is a major part of the appeal. Privacy matters, security matters, and not having every random car cutting through your neighborhood matters. Now, one of the biggest features of Governor's Club is the Arnold Palmer signature golf course. This is not just a neighborhood with a few holes nearby. The golf course is central to the identity of this community. For golf buyers, that's obvious. But even for buyers who do not play golf, this course will still shape the neighborhood. It creates the views. It creates open space. It gives many homes that elevated backdrop that is difficult to recreate in a non-golf community. Some homes back directly to the course. Some have water views. Some sit on quieter interior streets. Some feel more private. And those differences matter when you're comparing value. In Governor's Club, the lot, the view, the street, and the position inside the neighborhood can change the pricing conversation completely. That's why I never want buyers to look at just one listing and assume they understand the whole neighborhood. You really have to compare home by home. Now let's talk about the club side of the lifestyle. Governor's Club has the country club experience many buyers are looking for when they move to Brentwood. There's the clubhouse, dining, golf, social events, and a sense of community that goes beyond just living near each other. This is very different from a neighborhood where people only wave from the driveway and disappear into their garages. Governor's Club has a social layer to it. For some buyers, that's a huge advantage. They want connection. They want the ability to meet people. They want a club environment. They want dinners, golf events, and a neighborhood that feels established. For other buyers, they may love the prestige and privacy, but not care as much about the social side. And that's fine too. You just need to know what part of the lifestyle you're actually paying for and what parts you'll use. Because in luxury real estate, fit matters more than hype. Now let's talk about the homes themselves. Governor's Club is a custom home community, and that is one of the reasons it feels so different from newer luxury subdivisions where the homes can start to feel similar. Here you'll see a wide range of architecture, traditional brick estates, European-inspired homes, stone textures, larger home builds, custom builds, homes with golf course views, homes with pools, homes with basements, homes with elevators, homes with wine rooms, theaters, outdoor kitchens, guest suites, and larger garage setups. There's a lot of variety. And that is both a benefit and something buyers need to understand. Because when a neighborhood has homes built across different phases and different years, you cannot evaluate every property the same way. Some homes may be beautifully updated. Some may need cosmetic work. Some may have a timeless layout. Some may feel more dated once you get inside. That does not mean they're bad homes. It means you need to know what you're looking at. In Governor's Club, you'll find homes that are already fully modernized and move-in ready. And you'll also find homes where the location or lot may be fantastic, but the interior needs vision. And sometimes that can be an opportunity. A buyer with the right budget and the right plan may be able to take a strong Governor's Club property and make it incredible. But you don't want to accidentally buy a project when you thought you were buying turnkey. And I'll be honest with you, a lot of resale luxury homes in Middle Tennessee require that at least the bathrooms be redone, even in the $3 million price point. So just expect that. That's normal. And it's because our homes are in such high demand that sellers just don't have to do it all off market. Other things to look at. How is the home positioned? Is the floor plan still functional for today? Is the primary suite where you want it? Is there enough ceiling height? Does the kitchen make sense? Is there a true guest suite? Is the outdoor living space usable? Is the basement finished well or just extra square footage? Does the golf course view create privacy or are you more exposed than you expected? Those are the details that matter once the excitement of the first showing wears off. Now, pricing in Governor's Club can vary widely. Recent sales have ranged from the mid-millions to well above $7 million, and that tells you how broad this neighborhood really is. It goes even beyond $7 million. You can find a beautiful luxury home in one section and then a true estate-level property in another section that plays in a completely different price category. And that's why averages only tell part of the story. Governor's Club is not a neighborhood where you can simply say, homes sell for this much per square foot and call it a day. The golf course frontage matters, the lot matters, the age and condition of the home matter, the phase matters, the floor plan matters, the level of renovation matters, and the difference between a $2 million home and a $5 million home like this one in Governor's Club is not always just size. It may be view, scale, finish level, architecture, privacy, or how rare the property feels. That's why buyers need more than online data. You need interpretation. You need someone who can look at the house and say, this one is priced well because of the lot and improvements, or this one photographs beautifully, but the layout may limit resale. Or this one is worth watching because that particular position in the neighborhood does not come up often. That's the kind of guidance that protects you. Now, let's talk about schools, because for many buyers searching Brentwood luxury homes, this is a major piece of the decision. Governor's Club is in Williamson County and is zoned for Crockett Elementary, Woodland Middle, and Ravenwood High School. As always, school zoning should be verified before you buy because zones can change, but Ravenwood High School zoning is one of the reasons this area gets so much attention from relocating families and move-up local buyers. For a lot of buyers, Governor's Club checks several boxes at once. Brentwood address, Williamson County schools, gated community, golf course, country club lifestyle, prestige, privacy, convenience. That combination is hard to duplicate. Now, Governor's Club, is it the right fit for everyone? No. If you want brand new construction with a more modern neighborhood feel, you may prefer Rosebrook or another newer Brentwood community. If you want walkability to restaurants and boutiques, Governor's Club is not that kind of neighborhood. If you want acreage and a more rural feel, you may start looking farther south toward College Grove or pockets of Franklin. And if you want a lower maintenance lifestyle without the scale of a large custom home, Governor's Club may feel like too much house and too much upkeep. But if you want a prestigious Brentwood address, gated privacy, golf course living, established luxury, and one of the most recognizable communities in Williamson County, Governor's Club deserves a serious look. It has a level of identity that many neighborhoods simply do not have. People know Governor's Club, and that matters in the luxury market. Recognition can help with long-term demand, especially when the neighborhood continues to attract buyers who value privacy, school zoning, location, and lifestyle. But recognition alone does not mean every home is a smart buy. And that's the part I want buyers to understand. A prestigious neighborhood can still have homes that are overpriced. A beautiful home can still have a challenging layout. A golf course view can be amazing, or it can put you closer to activity than you expected. A big house can be impressive online and still feel inefficient in person. This is why you need a strategy before you start touring, especially in Governor's Club, because the emotional pull is strong. The entrance feels impressive. The golf course feels beautiful. The homes feel substantial. And it is very easy to walk in and start imagining your life here. That's normal. But my job is to help you enjoy that vision while also protecting the decision. We look at the numbers. We look at the comps. We look at the street. We look at the updates. We look at the lot. We look at a long-term resale story. I pick up the phone and call agents for more information. Then we decide whether the home truly makes sense, not just whether it's beautiful. Now, when buyers compare Governor's Club to other Brentwood luxury neighborhoods, the differences are very clear. Rosebrook is newer and more master planned. Witherspoon has a different, newer luxury feel with larger homes and strong location. Annandale, for example, feels established, elegant, and very private. Princeton Hills, Belle Rive, and other Brentwood pockets have their own personalities as well. But Governor's Club has the gated golf and country club identity, and that is the huge separator. If that lifestyle matters to you, Governor's Club may move to the top of this list quickly. Do you want the club? Do you want the gate? Do you want the golf course views? Do you want the prestige of the address? Do you want an established Brentwood luxury neighborhood with mature landscaping and custom homes? Or do you want newer construction, a different commute pattern, more walkability, or less maintenance? Those answers shape the search. And if you're relocating, this is even more important. From a distance, Brentwood can look like one big luxury suburb. Locally, the neighborhoods feel very different. Governor's Club feels very different from Rosebrook. Rosebrook feels very different from Annandale. Annandale feels very different from Witherspoon. And all of them feel different from Franklin, Nolensville, Belmead, or College Grove. That is the part that is hard to understand from Zillow. And honestly, Zillow is not known for emotional nuance. It can show you the house. It cannot tell you whether your Tuesday morning will work. And Tuesday mornings always tell the truth. Where's school drop-off? Where's your office? How often are you going to the airport? Where are your children's activities? How often will you use the club? Do you want to entertain? Do you want privacy? Do you want a home that feels impressive or one that feels easier to maintain? Governor's Club can be a fantastic fit for the right buyer, but it needs to fit your life, not just your search filters. So if Governor's Club is on your list, or if you're comparing Brentwood luxury neighborhoods and trying to figure out where your family truly belongs, do not start by chasing listings. Start with strategy. The prettiest home online is not always the smartest buy, and the most prestigious neighborhood is not automatically the best fit. The right neighborhood is the one that matches your lifestyle, your schedule, your budget, and your long-term plan. That's exactly what I help my clients figure out before we ever step foot inside a home. If you're serious about making a move to Brentwood, Franklin, Nolensville, or anywhere in Middle Tennessee, I would love to talk with you. The fastest way to start is to fill out the type form linked in the description and schedule a one-on-one Zoom call with me. You can also call me, text me, email me. All my contact information is listed below. We'll talk through where you are now, where you want to be, which neighborhoods truly make sense before you spend every weekend driving all over Williamson County trying to piece it together on your own.